Hey everyone, in this video I'll be dealing with a couple of questions on a series. They are of a little bit difficult level, but the approach I'll be using in these two questions, I'm sure that you're going to love that for sure. Now coming to the question, first of all the mantra. For such questions, what you have to do is you have to take some smaller values of n. You have to get like say the series is 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 dot, and the question is ignore this plus, rather wait, say the series is 1 2 3 dot 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 dot, and the question is till enter, and the question is find the nth term. So what we will be doing is certainly the question will not be that easier. These will be little tedious. What we'll be doing is we will keeping any small, we will be taking any small and say we took n equal to 2. So we should get the answer as 2. And now we'll reframe the options. We'll reframe the options, and in that we will keep 2. We'll keep 2 in place of n. So in place of, and what we should get is 2. Say in option A we did not get 2, so cancel, rule out this, and say in these two options we got 2 2. So we'll consider these two options for the next two round, and in the next round we will again figure out just these two options because these two are ruled out, and say we got a required one for this and not this, so this will also be ruled out. And D, uh, you might be, you might have found that boring because what he's speaking, blah blah blah. Now let me apply to the question. Question number 1. In a certain series, the nth term is this t3 tn plus 1. If t1 equal to 3, then find the value of t100. Option A is this. To be honest, when I was solving this question for the first time, I wasn't able to do this, so I switched. So I referred the solution given by the time module. This question is from time module, time booklet. In fact, the solution was what 2 page length. In fact, so clumsy. So I thought that if these options are there, certainly we should use this. Now, let me be pertinent. Figure out the options. Now we'll go with the mantra first. First we'll generalize the options and then n. See, the question is about what find the value of t100. Take this 100 as x, say x, okay, and now reframe this, reconstruct these options. 100 x, so this can be written as x. 201 is nothing but 2x plus 1, x equal to 120 plus 1. This x, 2x plus 1, x plus 1, like this. Okay. So first of all, reconstruct the options. I'm writing it here. Option A. Let me erase this first. We have taken this as x. 100 equal to x. We have taken 100 equal to x. 3 to the power x minus 2x plus 1. Sorted. Option A constructed. Option B. 3 to the power x, same, then just the numerator part. 3 to the power x minus 2x plus 1. Done. Option C. 5. 3 to the power x. Hope you are able to figure out that what is being done. By 4. Done. Constructed these two options. 3 to the power 101 is nothing but 100 plus 1, x plus 1, minus in the bracket 2x plus 1 by 2. Framed, these four options are framed. Now, with going with the mantra, say we took n equal to 2. Small sucks. N equal to 2. First term is t1 equal to 3. and T2 will be keep this in this. White was better, I guess. The white ink. So T2, T means this will be T1. So 3 into T1 is 3 plus 2 minus 1, 9 to 11 minus 10. T2 equal to 10. Okay. Now we'll start with smaller value. Okay. Keep n equal to 1. What we will get here? 3 to the power 1, 3 minus 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. But for n equal to 1, we should get 3, isn't it? Yes. Ruled out this option. And this option B is same. Just the denominator part is different. So this option ruled out. These two options are gone. Let me highlight this with red color. Option A is gone, option B is gone. Okay. Now option C. Raising this. Meanwhile, you should have you solved that and you got your answer for sure. Option C, x equal to 1, 5 into 3, 15 minus 2 plus 1, 3 by 4, 12 by 4 equal to 3. So this option is considered because what we have to get is 3 for x equal to 1. We got that. This option is considered for next round. And option D, 3 to the power 2 minus 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 9 minus 2, 6. 6 by 2, 3 considered for next round. CD considered. Okay. Done. Now, so x equal to 1 से तो काम नहीं बना, अब हमें x equal to 2 पे जाना होगा. X equal to 2 पे गया हम. We now we'll keep x equal to 2. 3 square 9, 9545 minus 22415 by 4. 40 by 4 equals 10. And what we should get T2 equal to 10. So we got that. So this will again be considered for the next round. If the clash happens, then this is forwarded to the next round. But certainly नहीं होगा, नहीं होता ऐसे किसी में. हाँ, x equal to 2, 3 to power 3 minus 22415 by 2. 27 minus 5, 22 by 2, 11. आना क्या? आना क्या? 10. Gone. Option D is gone. Let me again do that. D is gone. We are left with C. And we got that as equal. So C is your answer to this question. Hope the approach was super awesome. Now you can try this question. Hope you're done with this. इसको थोड़ा फिगर आउट करना थोड़ा दिक्कत था इसमें. लास्ट टर्म पकड़ा हमने 1 plus 3 dot 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 3 to the power 99 है. 1 is nothing but 3 to the power 0. So 0 से लेके 99 कितने टर्म्स हुए? 99 minus 0 plus 1, 100 टर्म्स हो गए. n equal to 100. फिर हमारा एक केस आ गया पिछला वाला ही, n equal to 100 वाला ही. बस थोड़ा फिगर आउट करना. So now this साइकिल फिर आके पिछले क्वेश्चन पे रुक गई. ऑप्शंस जनरलाइजेशन मंत्र के अकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है. 101 x को हमने 100 मान लिया, x plus 1 हो गया. 3 by 4, 3 to the power x plus 1 हुआ, minus 1 minus 50, 50 sorry यहाँ पे ये भी ध्यान रखना. हाँ, 50 is what? x by 2. सेम ये है, दोनों ऑप्शन सेम है, बस आखिरी में x है. 3 by 4, 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 1 minus x. 3 by 4, 3 to the power x दिख रहा होगा 100 है, minus x by 2. तीन ऑप्शंस फिगर आउट हुए. रीफ्रेम रिकंस्ट्रक्ट कुछ भी कहे, ये हो गया. कैसे है? 100x रिकंस्ट्रक्ट कर दिया हमने तीनों ऑप्शंस. नाउ विल कीप गोइंग बाय द मंत्रा. n equal to 2 से भी ले लिया. अच्छा ले लेते हैं, थोड़ा थोड़ा बढ़ा लेते हैं। तो n equal to 2, technically we should get 3 4, this 3 plus 4, 4 plus 1 5, sum we should get 5 because you have taken these two terms, ये वाला term, ये वाला term. ओके, ऑप्शंस में रखते हैं। ऑप्शन ए में रखा n इक्वल टू 2 रखा हमने, तो 3/4, 3 3 9 3 27। यहाँ तक, यहाँ पे आपको एनालाइज हो जाना चाहिए कि ये ऑप्शन नहीं होगा। क्या रखा था हमने? 2 सी 27 minus 1 is 26, 3/4 into 26। नो नीड टू सॉल्व, इसको फर्दर जाने की जरूरत नहीं। क्या ये इंटीजर आएगा? नहीं, क्योंकि इसमें 13 है, बिकॉज 13 26 इज मेड विद 13 into 2, प्राइम नंबर 13, सो नहीं होगा। तो डोंट नीड टू प्रोसीड फर्दर, यहीं पर रियलाइज हो जाना चाहिए। You should be quick enough to spot this. So this option ruled out, gone. This option A is gone. हमें दिख रहा है कि ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है इस ऑप्शन में, ए ऑप्शन और बी में। ओनली द डिफरेंस लाइज इन दिस द सेकंड टर्म। सो सिमिलर ग्राउंड्स पे सिमिलर, बी आल्सो एलिमिनेटेड। नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन, कलर चेंज करना पड़ा रहा है। नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन 3/4, 3 n equal to 2 रखा हमने, 9 minus 1 minus 2/1 1, isn't it? 2/1, so ये आया 4 2 6 5 आया, इक्वल आ गया सम के। सो ये कंसीडर होगा नेक्स्ट राउंड के लिए अगर क्लैश हुआ तो। लास्ट ऑप्शन 3/4, ये भी फिगर आउट हो जाना चाहिए अभी तक कि सेम ही ऑप्शन है, बस यहाँ पे 1 की जगह 2 आएगा। लेट मी सॉल्व दिस। 9 minus 1 minus 2, 6 आएगा, 4 आएगा, सॉरी 4 आएगा, 4 आया। So fourth option is also gone. Ultimately C is the answer. Super quick approach, according to me. I found this approach when I figured out this, like that these can be done with the options so easily. इतने अच्छे तरीके से हो सकता है ये option से. So I love this. Hope you also loved this video. Thank you so much. Stop.